Are you tired of getting tangled up in cords or being restricted in your clinic? Then you need to try the Microbeau Airbolt RCA battery pack. This sleek new power supply provides complete freedom during the permanent makeup treatment. I'm Charlotte from Killer Beauty and we can't wait to show you the Airbolt battery pack, the power supply that will revolutionise your procedures. This is the first of its kind and allows artists to pair with their machine for stable, consistent power. If you're looking to maximise freedom in your workspace, then keep watching. With no need to plug into a power socket, the Airbolt is completely portable and allows you to work from anywhere in your clinic. You are no longer restricted to working near a plug socket with the Airbolt. This power pack means you can work from optimum angles and in the best lighting. Voltage ranges from 5 to 12 volts and can be adjusted via the easy-to-use controls and LED voltage indicator. The Airbolt also comes with eGive, Bluetooth compatibility with the DarkLab app and unlimited presets, allowing you to save your favourite settings. This battery pack is easy to cover for hygiene purposes, and the lithium-ion battery and USB-C connection provide quick charging speeds. With a built-in anti-slip and magnetic pad, the Airbolt won't slip off your workstation and hardly takes up any space in your clinic. Looking for a more compact battery pack? Why not try the Airbolt Mini? Small but mighty, the Airbolt Mini can still provide up to 10 hours runtime and comes with all the incredible features of the original Airbolt. If you're in the market for a PMU bundle, why not try the Airbolt Mini alongside the Permapen PMU machine? At Killer Beauty, we give you the option to purchase these amazing products together with an RCA cable, giving you everything you need to create gorgeous results. If you are already working alongside the Airbolt or the Airbolt Mini, we're sure you're loving your newfound freedom. If you're yet to try this power supply, you can order yours today via the link in the description. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications to be the first to see our brand new content, only on the Killer Beauty YouTube channel. See you next time!